Now today I'm going to share with you a coffee that I normally brew on Christmas morning. I brew it for my friends and family and everyone around on Christmas morning, and that's a flat white. Now today I'm using the Omega Mazzer hand grinder and on a setting of 4.2. Now what I love about Christmas is sharing really amazing coffees with my family that come around. And having the Omega hand grinder allows me to quickly change coffees and share all the coffees that I've been trying throughout the year. Now one of the most special coffees that I've tried this year is the Natural Pacamara from Finca Zaza from my friend Jonathan Gaskar. Now this is the coffee that I used for WBC and placed second with in Busan this year. Now I'm going to be sharing the WBC recipe that I used this year, which is 21 grams of coffee in, 35 grams of coffee out in around 25 seconds, and 90 grams of milk. This coffee reminds me of a Christmas cake. So lots of cherry, berries, and it's quite floral as well, making it perfect for Christmas morning.